Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about georeferencing in ArcGIS Pro. Georeferencing is one of the easiest yet sometimes confusing topic to many of the GIS users, and today in this video I'll help you solve that problem of georeferencing in ArcGIS Pro. So for this tutorial I have one map. So here is the map that I will directly input it into my ArcGIS Pro directly, and you can see unknown coordinate system, map data source is missing coordinate system information, click here to view details. So it doesn't have any coordinate system. So when you zoom into that layer, you can see it's out of the box. You can see it's on of the sea. So we have to give some particular destination, particular coordinate system or particular location to this map. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to let's say we can search directly here georeference. So you can see now when I search georeference, you can see this option georeference, and when you hover over it, you can see start georeferencing. So I'll click on this, and after that you will see one of the separate layer. You can see on this panel, you can see georeference option, and what we will do in this section is that we'll be using the georeferencing. We'll be doing the georeferencing using the control points. So what basically this option does is we usually have two identical points, one on our map that we have already georeferenced. That is in this case we will be using our topographic map as a base layer map. So it has already coordinate system, and you can see spatial reference here, WGS 1984 web marketer, and it already has a projected coordinate system, and we'll assign the same coordinate system to our map which we are going to reference at this moment. So what we have to do is we have to basically find identical points. So for this case, let's see we are going to do transformation, and you can see here is first order, second order, third order transformation, and it's based on the number of control point that you will choose on the map. So for first order polynomial transformation, you need at least 3 control points. For second order you need 6 control points, and for 10 for third order polynomial you can change you can take 10 control points. And so for you to learn more about the transformation and the polynomial transformation, so you can check on this website. So in this website you can see it has all everything that we can use for our georeferencing. So transformation method, coordinate reference system, it has already got coordinate reference system, transformation method, and then transformation method it's in QGIS, so we can use this in ArcGIS as well. So you can see original data, first order polynomial affine, second order polynomial, third order polynomial, and you can look at any of the polynomial transformation through this website. I'll give this link in the description as well, and you can see as residual error also, we'll check that in our video as well. So I'll first see one point that could be matched in both our this unreferenced map and our base layer. So let's see this place where we have 81 degree 50 minute east and 28 degree 26 minute, 81 and 26. So let's try to see here. At this point you can see 21, 81 and 20, 20, 20, 28, 81 and 28. Let's see 81 and 28 in our map. So 81 and 28. So let's change it to imagery. '81 and 28. I think 81 and this is the place of our map. So let's once again go to this, and this is the same place, right? So let's place control point. So go to georeference and add control point, and you can see from point source, it's the source. So source means the place where the image which you want to georeference. And let's see, this is 1 point, and to the target is the place in our map, the georeferenced map, 81 and 24. So you can see this is one control point, right? And let's go to the second, and let's select one more. So we have selected here, and let's select this bridge, the center point of this bridge. Okay. Now from this we can go to, okay, so the center point of the bridge, let's, okay, so when you can see when we gave one point, so it has already assigned that point to the original place, the place where it should be after georeferenced. And let's add one other point as well. So this is playground, center of the playground. Let's find this playground where it is. So this is the playground, and let's assign this point here. Okay, oh sorry, so I have given this point to, let's once delete this second point. You can delete from this as well. So when you delete the second point, it's here. So what I did mistake was I selected this bridge, but I gave the coordinate to another bridge. So it should have been given to this bridge, but I gave to this bridge. Okay, now it should be fine, I guess. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, so we have 3 points, right? So let's do first order transformation. Okay, so you can see the residual is 0 0 0. Okay, and let's again add more points. So you can see this point, right? Let's add this point here. This is the point, right? So let's go to this point. Okay, yeah, now from this side. Okay, this is okay. Let's put this turning point. Can you see this turning point? Okay, it should have been somewhere near, and it's, I think it is this point. Okay, you can see the residual here value is changing. Okay, let's add more points from here. Okay, this turning of this road, this should be here. Okay, you have to select the point such that it will cover every corner of the map. So let's select the point from the middle. Okay, this is the turning point and it should be here, right? Okay, let's take one more point. Okay, that's from here, this turning point. So what's the number of control points? Let's see, it's 9. Let's add one more, and we are done for third order polynomial transformation. Okay, let's do from this side. Okay, this is the turning point and this should be here, right? Okay, so let's see, let's add two more, one from this side okay, I got this. So this is one point, this should be here. Okay, and let's do from this side. Okay, this point, this should be here. Okay, and now let's do third order polynomial. Okay, now you can see this has been fixed. Okay, you can see almost at the top of the map, right? So after that it's georeferenced. So let's save. You can see update the georeferencing transmission of the source raster data. So you can directly update the source or you can save as a new, and let me save this as a new. and I'll save this export raster. You can see the export raster form here file, and I have made the folder, and you can see georeferenced.tif. okay, and now I'll export this. So let's go to the same folder, and when I let me remove this and remove this as well. Okay, yeah, I don't need this. And when I now input the georeferenced file into my ArcGIS, it's directly above the place where it should be. So in this way you can georeference any type of maps if you already know where it should have been, and you know the control point that can be aligned on the map. This way you can directly georeference any map in ArcGIS Pro, and with this we have completed this georeferencing part in our ArcGIS. So if you like this video, and if you want to get notified when I upload new videos in the channel, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and also support this video by liking the video and sharing to your friends as well. And thank you very much for watching. So see you next time. Bye bye.